I'm ready to grab a big fat Hi guys, it is Vlogmas day 7, I believe. And we are up and early because we're gonna go get our lashes done, queen. Guys, look at my lashes. Can you guys see? Hold on. I got my Well, I'm sorry about that. As I was showing you guys my beautiful lashes, can you guys see? This has been 3 weeks of my lashes and they're looking so cute still, but we just need to, you know, make them a little bit more beautiful. I told my freaking husband if the camera was ready for vlogging and he said yes, and then he didn't clear off the memory card, so we don't have a lot of memory. That's the reason why I took his pantuflas, and I hope he has coffee ready when I get back because I can't drink coffee on my way to my lashes, so there better be a pot of coffee when I get back so he can pay for what he did today this morning. Anyways, see you guys in a jiffy. Bye. Look at her Christmas tree, so cute. Guys, I'm here getting my lashes done with Millie, the myth, the legend, the person who has my lashes on fleek. She don't want to come out though. She just got off of work. Guys, we are back with the lashes better than ever. See my lash? I love when I go get my lashes done. There's a problem though. When I get my lashes done, I don't close my eyes all the way, and sometimes my eyes get red. I'm snacking on a little bit of pomegranate. Oh my gosh, my hair! I look so crazy. But I'm snacking on a little bit of pomegranates because we're gonna go outside and do a quick little workout. I'm gonna see if Jose joins. If not, then we're just gonna go by ourselves. We're gonna do light workout because we just got the lashes done and we don't want to ruin them. Joseph has his own snack. Joseph, what are you snacking on?
I snack.
You snack on carrots? Let me see.
Why are you laughing?
Well, looky.
Baby does.
Baby.
Joseph, you love Papi?
With a chocolate milk.
What?
Strawberry chocolate.
Strawberry chocolate? Oh my
Blueberry
god.
chocolate. Apple chocolate.
Apple
Blueberry
chocolate?
chocolate.
What?
Canada chocolate. Canada chocolate.
Canada is milk.
Hey, stop it.
Alright guys, so the husband did not want to participate in working out with me, so I'm going to do a quick little workout because I have a nail appointment, but again, we don't want to slack. We want to get it in. Ooh. But yeah, that's what we're going to do today. I'm not going to show you guys because I'm just going to do something super quick, probably just jump rope. Done. I finished. I did jump rope, and I focus a lot on my deadlifts because I'm trying to better my form. Guys, I freaking smashed my finger. Look. Focus. Look. I smashed my finger. So I need a band-aid or else. Because I'm trying to make a quick breakfast for my husband. Before I leave. Unless he wants me to season it with blood. Babe, do you want to eat my blood? So I was trying to make them some pancakes, like sausage forrados with pancakes, but I broke that one. Let's see how we're gonna do with our huevos.
Gling, gling.
That is no good.
Huh? What is that? Puppy.
Yeah.
Let me see your house.
Puppy.
Hey,
Let me see. Let me see what Grandpa brought you.
Hey, where's the goer?
I have it right here.
Puppy.
Look, Grandpa brought Joseph a little house.
Not it's broken.
No,
It's not broken?
It's not broken. You pizza, huh? Hijo de tu madre. Mira. No lo chingues, hijo. Ya lo está pelando.
No, it's not.
Don't do it like that. You don't cut the shell, okay?
Joseph is not normal. He cannot have toys. He breaks them.
Yeah.
I hate looking for a parking space here. I was kind of like debating whether to park in front of here, because last time llegó un pinche desvelado and fucking crashed into my nail place. Like, yeah, se llevó everything. It's because I'm trying to act normal and I start like stiffing, me pongo bien stiff, and then I start like shaking. Ay, acá, I find you're doing good. Acá no. You're doing good with my finger all stiff. This is the new Christmas set, Queen. They look so cute. I'm ready to grab a big fat spring roll. Guys, I am so upset because every time I come and get my nails done, I reward myself with an egg roll, a spring roll and some chicken and rice, but they're freaking closed. And like, my brain is trained to get me a spring roll and a chicken and rice. So now we have to go and find the chicken and rice lady because the day will not end like this. This is what we're eating. Guys, we had to go to the chicken and rice lady because the other place was closed, but I got me some spring rolls, which are my favorite. I also got some egg rolls, our chicken and rice with the sauce. I'm gonna show you how I like to eat mine. So I don't know if this is the way you eat it, but you take off the skin from the legs. You grab yourself a little bit of the sticky rice and then you put it inside and then you fold it like this. Can you see? Can you see? I love the other chicken and rice. I like the sauce from the other chicken and rice place because it's spicier than this one. Now we're gonna dip it in the sauce. It actually made it a little bit spicier, but I think it has a little too much salt. You'll hear my husband say that. He's gonna be like, it's salty. We're gonna try the egg roll. We're gonna do both because it's a little too salty. Here, puppy.
I wish I showed that.
We are gonna try the spring rolls. Oh, heck no! They made these like a long time ago because they're drying up.
Yeah.
Those come with the sweet peanut sauce, but
Yeah.
we don't like. Well, we do like it, but I'd rather it be like more spicy. So we're gonna add the spicy one on it.
See that thing. I
I ate the like raw crudo part of the spring roll. That was usually I'm a huge fan. Babe, I got you some of these too. You wanna come and say hi? You want an egg roll, Joseph?
The egg roll.
No?
I sit down.
Okay, sit down. Usually I really love these spring rolls. Like, they make my eyes roll to the back of my head. I'm sorry, but this time they were not good. They're cold.
They would have been better. They would have been winter rolls.
No. They're
Mommy,
cold, they're dry. Damn!
It's a dinosaur.
Let me see, show Mama how the dinosaur eats. Damn, Joseph! Remove the skin from your chicken. This is a big piece of skin, so we're gonna put lots of rice. Like, How are we gonna do this?
It's pistachio.
Like this.
It's pistachio, it's not.
And then you're gonna dip it in the sauce. We're gonna borrow some of Jose's. And then you dip.
Is it 5 out of 5?
The rice? I mean the chicken and rice?
Spicy though.
I'm not that spicy.
No, it's spicy.
Spicier than usual.
Okay. Mommy.
I do hear a doorknob.
A doorknob?
Yeah, like the back one? Like the hinge?
No, I thought I heard this one. It went like this. Like your dad's room or our room.
Ghostess. That's gonna be it for today. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to follow, like, share, subscribe. Ring the notification bell. Follow me on everything. And that's it, guys. Bye.